Okay, guys, to all the Western people, like, foreigner, as we speak, I don't care wherever you come from, United States, Canada, foreigner, I'm talking about foreigner. If you come to the Philippines and then you visit someone's house or your friend's house, hotel, whatever, and you go to the washroom or toilet and you see this, come here, and you see this, that's the washroom, and you see this one here, right here, this one. Don't be alarmed, okay? I'm gonna explain it to you what is that. So what you do is that that's the thing to to wash your bum bum. There's no more tissue paper out here. So what you're doing is that you sit down like this, do your thing. Once you do your thing, this one here, after you're done, you press this button here, so water come out. See that? Pause, release, pause, release, pause, release. So what it do is that, like this, hold and pam 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 pam, like that. Wash. There's no more tissue paper here. You know what I mean. You have to go right under down there. Where's your butthole? Spray right there. And then that's it. And then it's a little bit wet. Or if you have tissue paper, you have to, take a little bit of tissue and just wipe the wet part of your butthole. So don't be alarmed. If you visit here in the Philippines and then you go someone's house and you go to the washroom and you see this, you know what it means. You know where it goes, okay? Don't be stranger. Don't be alarmed. This is what it is here in the Philippines. Now you know.